Hello, and today I'm going to teach you what are the local variables and instance variables. An instance variable is something which, first let me explain what is local variable. The local variable is something which is declared, which is inside the method, or called a local variable. Method in the sense that this is a local simple syntax, and this is a method, and inside this method we have an instance variable. We have an integer which is a local variable, and when we run for fun, then the local variable also runs. And what the variable, what the number present here is called local, it's called local variable. And it's also then declared inside the body of the method, or the method parameter. Inside the body of a method, it's a body, or the method parameter, in the sense this is a parameter. So this is local variable. And I'll tell you what is instance variable now. An instance variable which is declared inside the class but outside of the method, called instance variable. Like we can say analogy, like this is a variable which is inside a kid who is a pregnant lady, where a boy is inside, or there's some person, or a girl is inside the mother. So that's inside the method, like we can say in that it's analogy. I hope you're getting with my intention is just to teach how those local variable. And instance variable is something, a variable which is declared inside the class, and this is a class which is inside the class but outside the main method. Like it's a main method, and what the method we are writing here, like in public static point, this is the main method outside the method and inside the class. I hope you're getting what I'm telling. This is a main method inside the class, and in between this there's a class. So like you can say this is a home, and it's like kid who's outside, like who was delivered already, and he's in the home, and it's inside the home, but he's outside the mother, like he was already got birth and he's already into the world. So that's an college, you can take it as an instance variable. Now I'll tell you what is static variable. Static variable is something which which is which runs based on the class object. A variable is declared with the help of the static keyword is called static variable. And let me tell you, if an example, if I want to tell you how this is working. This is static integer b. Like we have the basically, like this is static integer which is b. An instance, like static integer in the sense, like we are like it doesn't treat any it requires class to run, and like it requires class objects. So we are writing inside the class. The instance variable is something which is inside the class and outside the method, and the local variable is something which is inside the method. So we have written this we have given all the local variables. And when you are running this out, when we're running local variable, hence when we run main method, then a is executed, because first it comes in, so it doesn't require any class class method class method. So when we are running an instance static method, so static method requires a class object, or class as an object. So with the help of a, we are running b. So that's when we require out a dot b, so then b runs. And when you're running and when we are running the instance variable is something which is like the baby is outside the mother and he's inside the house. So when we are running that baby, so we require an reference object. So for this reference we create an like a reference is equal to new a. So for when we new is help to create object, and with the help of reference we run this c. So the instance variable is also executed. So that's how this local instance variable is explained. I hope you got it.